How's she doing, bees? It's Paradise here with another fucking awesome movie. And I got a 2000 Chevy. She's sexy, and I know it. But we're having some poor taillight issues. Well, that one just working mint, eh? Real bright, I know. Nothing. What are we gonna do, base? Most people go and replace that, what do you call it, that junction box? Yeah, I did it. And then what I noticed was when I wiggled the plug that goes to the front of the truck there, like the wiring harness or whatever, it was coming on sometimes. Now I can't even get it to come on. So I think we're just going to link the power base. I want to figure out what the fuck to do here, base. Come on, someone help me. Ice back or Paragulu, whatever you want to call me. And I just want to show you a quick fix. Again, only one taillight working. What I did is, if you're a Chevy fan, you know your brown wire is for taillights, right? So I still only got the one taillight working. I just spliced into this right here. Or you seen where I showed you, right? Right here, right? And that's going to the side that works. Spliced into right here on the passenger side, which isn't working. Bada boom, bada bang, boys. Let's get to it. Boys. We got working taillights again. This side wasn't working, now she's just working, man. Oh, there's another redneck Rick on there. Just works a mint. Oh, look at the clearance, please. And that's ooh. Might have to give this just a little bit of a C hair of a trim here. We don't even need that. But anyways, now we got lights there, and check this out. Look at that sick wiring job, boys. Fucking just threw her together. Guess what this thing's got? A new box. Yeah, she is. New fucking bumper. Just throw the money at it. Alright, boys, thanks for watching Redneck Rickham. Peace out.